I wanted to say metallic, but anyway, it's just gorgeous. So I got 2 of those. Next, and I'm telling you, Crystal knows how to pack a box. Cascade Yarns Tangier. Oh, this is lovely. And it looks like a roving style yarn. You see right here? I love roving. Crystal got me hooked on that roving yarn. It is really, really beautiful to work with. But I'm loving the foresty tones. So you're going to get your deep dark green into a lighter lime green and these nice mustard yellow color with a little brown, hints of brown in there. And that's right here. So that's not black, it's brown. Oh, this is gorgeous. So this is made in China. It's 220 yards, which is 200 meters and 100 grams. And you hand wash cold, lay flat to dry. Oh my God. So it's 47% silk. It's 19% acrylic, 17% rayon, and 17% cotton. I have to get my composure. Oh, wow. Now, this is something that I have not had. Oh, it's uber soft. Oh, y'all can see I have chills right there. Y'all see that? I have chill bumps. Polo Sue. Polo. I've never had this before. And it's saying on the side, Luke's. And I may be pronouncing it wrong. Right there. Oh, this is very nice. And it's 100% premium acrylic. It's 100 grams. And it's 250 meters. And this is a beautiful cream color. This is very, very nice. This would definitely make something pretty. Oh my Lord. And the color number is 356. Polo Sue. This is a first. So, wow. I'm like excited. That's something I haven't seen before. Oh man. Is it made in Turkey? Looks like it's made in Turkey. Awesome. Then I have this. Oh, wow. Mountain Meadow Wool. And let me know in the comments if you've seen this. Mountain Meadow Wool. I always love when I get mystery boxes and it's yarn that I've never tried before. And I love how it's wound. Very tightly wound. You all see that? And it's just, it reminds me of Steve. It reminds me of her cat. And maybe that's why maybe she had this, is because it's Steve's colors. Look at that with the orange and cream and everything. Touch of the West. And it says made in the USA, Buffalo, Wyoming. Oh, wow. And Cora hand dyed. That's what it says. And my great grandmother was named Cora. So I'm loving this. Wow, this is amazing. It's a 3-ply worsted weight yarn. It's 210 yards, which is 3.5 ounces, 100% mountain merino wool. And this is dyed by Farmer's Daughter. And you hand wash, lay flat to dry. I need to see if I can get some more of this. This would make a beautiful project. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Crystal. I'm excited. Oh, y'all know I love me some Lion Brand. Nubu. Yes, 100% lyocell. Oh my goodness. I got a 3-pack of these. Wow. So it's a medium weight 4. It's 157 yards, which is 144 meters. And this is awesome. All right. And this is called Hazelnut. Can you all see that? Hazelnut. Very fitting, the color. Oh my goodness. This will make a beautiful top using this Nubu. Yes. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I got some ice yarn. Got ice yarn, y'all. Wow, it's a 3-pack. I'll go ahead and open it for you all. And it's a pretty blue color. I could use this for Hat Not Hate. I'm working on a hat right now, just so you all know. And I'm using a Hobby Lobby yarn, so I will be showing that off. But anywho, this is nice. This is made in Turkey, and I'm looking for the color for you all. It's 135 grams. It's 100% acrylic mix, and it's covered. So let me see if this one shows it. That's a pretty blue. Wool melange is what's underneath. It says sail plain. And I'm looking. Oh, okay. So I see where the numbers are. No, take that back. Okay. So, because these numbers are all the same. It says 75130, but they're on all of the skeins. But I have a blue one, a pink one, and this looks like a kind of a beige. This is more like of a beige color, not gray. But yes, this will make something nice. As a matter of fact, I could use that, right? To make something together. Perfect. Okay. Oh, look. Oh, look at it. Drop snow. This is cute. And it's color number 7. And it is 50 grams, 55 yards. This is 100% wool. And for those of you that may not have tried it, she has that felted bag where you use 100% wool. I'm covering the light. But this is the yarn you would use. Something like this, 100% wool. Now, obviously not this thickness, because this particular one I used a lighter weight yarn. But this right here is a bulky yarn. But yes, I use 100% wool to make her felted bag. So for those of you that haven't made one, or if you made one, you want to make another one, y'all know this wool works. Yes, 100% wool. All right. And she also did mention an alternative, so go and check it out. And look, I got some more Lion Brand. Y'all know I can never get enough of Lion Brand because I'm an affiliate. So Lion Brand is one of my favorite yarn stores, yarn places. And I love this yarn. This comfy cotton blend. Oh my goodness. This would make something beautiful. A scarf, a top, anything like that. It's called Lovey Dovey. Yes, and I have 3 of these. This is a nice colorway. So one of these will make a scarf. This is 392 yards, which is 358 meters. It's 70 ounces and 200 grams each. I'm telling you, and this is the lightweight 3, just so you know. That's why I said this will be great, like for a summer top or something like that. Beach cover up. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. And it has pink pops of fuchsia, or I would say a darker pink, a dark pink, not fuchsia, darker pink. And it's just wrapped around with that cream. Very, very nice. I am happy with my box. Just want to let y'all know. Very happy with my box. Crystal has never disappointed. This is not my first mystery box, so I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So she gave me one of these, and what is it? I have one behind me. I want to say this is Hobby. I want to say this is Hobby yarn. Easy center pull, and it's so uber soft. Oh my goodness. It looks like a #1 fine. And this will make a beautiful shawl. Beautiful. This deep lavender color on the outside, and it just kind of fades into a super light lavender color in the center. This will make a beautiful shawl. Oh my goodness. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. So this is it. The box is empty. And she put all of that goodness, that yarn in there. I am so excited and happy. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you so much, Crystal. If y'all don't know BagODay Crochet, go and check her out. She has a lovely channel. And also check out her bod life. Right now, you can check it out because she has been posting on there, and she's focusing on putting some content on there, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So y'all have a wonderful one, and always remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see y'all next time.